Hello YouTube, this is JM Productions, and today I'm going to show people how to set up a bukkit server. So what you're going to want to do is go to here, bukkit.org, and this will be linked in the description. You're going to want to find your type of computer. I'm running a Windows computer, and then what you do is copy this here, or the other one if it applies to you, but I'm pretty sure this one applies to me. You copy it, and then you open a notepad, you paste this. Right, now not many people know this, but to change your RAM that you put into the server, at the moment you see here Xmx1G. That means I'm putting 1 gig of RAM into the server. I can make that smaller by putting it into megabytes and putting it like down to 900 or so on, but yeah, so I could change it to be 2 gig, but I haven't got that at the minute. When I get my RAM chip, then I'll have it. So what I tend to do is put it to an M and then put about 1500 like that. So then here you save it and then run .bat. You save it as a run.bat file. Bat for batch, you make sure you change this bit here to all files, and then you save it to where you want it. I'm going to save it to the desktop because that's where my server folder is going to be. So desktop. And so now, okay, just delete all this. I was trying to run an MC admin server, but they do tend to get going on. Save desktop run dot all files, remember that. Now just save it. Okay, now you're going to want to get this here, latest recommended build, bukkit, save. Okay, now you'll see this file like this. This type of file here is a batch file, and then you're going to want, as soon as that's done. Right, now what you're going to want to do is put it into a folder and just name it whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. Server. Name it like that. Okay. Now. Okay, right now. The first amount of plugins I'd advise to get, we do a bucket form thing, is Essentials. So spelled pretty much right. Essentials is like a pre-configured root file that's sort of so much easier. Essentials, and then just hit this download here, and then save or open, whatever you want to do. It's your choice. Okay, anyway, right, now what we're going to want to do is go back to here, and we're going to want to now you just want to find the craft book that is here. You drag that into there, and then what you're going to want to do is once that's in there. Okay, I don't know why it won't move. For some reason it's just not moving. We'll copy and paste it here. Okay, now if you double click this, you'll find out whether you're able to run it or not. Okay, so I'm able to run it because it hasn't come up with no error message. There you go, running 1.7.3. Just the port. Let's see just quickly go in and just change the port. 6.6. Okay, what I'm going to do, just so we don't get no lag at all for recording, I'm going to put it down to 500 MB. Save, and then just run the server. Okay, that should run easy now. If you're on a Windows computer, I'm not sure how you do it on Mac or anything like that. If you press Control Delete, loads up a screen. It should be coming. There it is. And then you want to go to Start Task Manager. Okay, right. And then you want to go to Performance. You want to go to Free Memory, and then however much of this you've got left is your eligible amount of RAM that you can use. Okay, so I've only got 40 left because that's what I'm running a server and recording as well. If I wasn't recording, this server would be really smooth, but I'm recording obviously to show you. Okay, anyway, that's just generating the things. Right, now, what you're going to want to do, if you go get Essentials, which I've already done. I started downloading that a minute ago. Okay, right, you don't want Essentials chat, so straight away delete that straight away. Okay, feel free to add me on Skype if any problems, Jord-Pro like that, or just type in Jordan Newberg. Feel free to add me, I really don't mind. Okay, Essentials, just get Essentials free. Yeah, it's all the same. Okay. So you don't want to put Essentials chat in because I'm going to show you something quite cool in a second. Everyone will like. So that can go in there. And also the prefix of plugin. Okay. Again. Okay, so now type your IPs. Okay, that won't be the actual IP you'd use to connect. You have to use a different IP to connect. Okay, you might get a bit of server or world lag. Okay, anyway, now, right, this is where it starts getting slightly tricky. So you're going to want to opt yourself, then Tom's. Opping. Now what did I say? Op. anyway, that'll do for now. That's just how to set up a server. That's the server set up. Now all you want to do is just drag your plugins into the plugin file that was created in your server folder. I will show you how to config in the next. Okay, as I was saying, you want to drag your plugins into the folder here called plugins, and then when the server runs, it will generate folders for all these plugins, but I didn't let it run properly because I don't need to. Okay, right, next episode for servers, I'm going to teach everyone how to set up admin next to their name, so you would have like coloured letters, so like purple, owner, and then the name of the owner. I'm going to show you how to do that. So don't forget to subscribe and like and rate, tell your friends, remember, keep subbing I guess, and watching, and goodbye.